Imagine this. A team of astronomers is scanning the sky, just like any other day, listening for faint whispers from the cosmos. Then, suddenly they detect something unnatural. A signal, a message, a confirmation that we are not alone in the universe. What happens next? How do we react? And what would it mean for humanity to realize that we are not the only intelligent species in the universe? The first step would be verification. Scientists would need to confirm that the signal is not a natural phenomenon or human interference. It could take days, weeks, or even months of rigorous testing before concluding that the signal is genuine. Once verified, the discovery would likely remain confidential among top scientific organizations and governments at first. The implications would be enormous. How do we tell the world? How do we ensure the information is not misinterpreted or causes unnecessary panic? But eventually, the news would spread. The public reaction would be a mix of excitement, fear, skepticism, and wonder. Philosophers, religious leaders, and political figures would weigh in. Questions would flood in. Are they friendly? Do they even know we exist? Should we respond? If the signal contained information, perhaps a mathematical pattern, a star map, or even an invitation, it would trigger one of the most significant debates in human history. Who speaks for Earth? Do we reply? And if so, what do we say? The scientific community would be divided. Some would argue for immediate contact, seeing it as an opportunity to advance our knowledge. Others would urge caution. After all, history has shown that encounters between civilizations with different levels of technology often don't end well for the less advanced one. If the civilization is thousands or even millions of years ahead of us, would they see us as equals, as mere curiosities, or as something entirely beneath their notice? Could they help us solve our greatest challenges, or would they simply ignore us? And what if they're not peaceful? Some experts propose that any advanced civilization capable of interstellar communication has likely mastered cooperation, given the immense timescales required for technological progress. Others warn that we should not assume their intentions align with ours. The mere act of sending a message back could expose our location and vulnerabilities. Beyond the scientific and political implications, such a discovery would deeply impact human culture. Our religions, philosophies, and worldviews would shift. Ancient myths and legends would be re-examined in the context of a greater cosmic reality. Some might find a sense of unity, realizing that we are all part of a larger cosmic family, while others may feel insignificant in the vastness of the universe. The discovery could also revolutionize our approach to space exploration. Knowing we are not alone could accelerate technological advancements and push humanity to expand beyond Earth with renewed determination. Colonizing Mars, exploring exoplanets, and developing interstellar travel might no longer be distant dreams, but necessary steps towards securing our place in the cosmos. If we decide to respond, humanity would face an unprecedented challenge: how to craft a message that could be understood by an alien intelligence. Scientists would likely use radio telescopes, such as those at Arecibo or the FAST telescope in China, to send carefully encoded signals, using mathematics and physics as a universal language. Messages could include sequences of prime numbers, digital representations of DNA, or images constructed from binary code, all designed to convey the fundamentals of our civilization. Alternatively, powerful laser transmission systems could be employed to send optical signals across interstellar distances, a method that some scientists believe may be more efficient than traditional radio waves. Spacecraft like the Voyager probes, which already carry golden records of Earth's culture and science, might serve as inspiration for more advanced interstellar beacons. The biggest challenge would be patience. Any response could take decades, centuries, or even millennia to travel across the vastness of space. We may never hear back, or if we do, those who sent the original message may not be alive to witness the reply. Even if we choose to remain silent and simply observe, the knowledge itself would change us forever. The confirmation that we are not alone would be one of the most defining moments in human history, reshaping how we see ourselves and our place in the universe. The day we detect an alien civilization will be a day that defines our species. A moment where we must decide, do we step forward into the unknown, or do we remain silent, watching the universe from afar? Because in the vast darkness of space, we may not be the only ones listening. The search continues.